Naghahanap ito ng pwesto sa ambababa eh. Are we following the track? Let's go? Ayan, bababa na sila. Ayan na, ayan na. Sinasalubong nung kausap namin kanina. Yay! Parang gusto kong gawin to pagka ganito lang, hindi malakas ang hangin. Parang mas gusto ko pa ito kaysa helicopter eh. Kasi may driver din naman ito eh. Oh. Yung naka light blue. Ganda. Kanina pa namin ito sinusundan eh. 2 oras na eh. Ayan si Papo. Ganda kasi ng weather ngayon eh. Hindi malakas ang hangin. Bababa na sila. Tagal naman bumaba. May bata pa oh. Ayun yung hinihila. Yung string na yun hinihila. Tapos magkakahangin. Ay, hindi pala. Iba pala yun. Flag pala yun. Kailangan muna i-stake yung kailangan muna i-anchor. Ayan, ina-anchor muna. Mahirap din pala. Kailangan ng malaking tao. Ganun pala. Kaya may hinihila para mawala yung air. Ayan na. Babagsak na siya. There. Bago lalabas yung mga tao sa loob. Ang galing. Bago bababa yung mga tao. This is the guy in blue. Yung nag-ooperate. Private land nga ito. Sila-sila lang. Hindi ito pinapaupahan. Galing naman. Rich people. Ang galing. Tapos siguro yung mga kasi itong mamang naka-blue na to, siya yung naghihila kanina ng air. Tapos yun ang kasama niya, dalawang yung nakatayo na yun. Ito. Ewan ko, muupa yun. Pero ang may-ari siguro or ang piloto, itong naka-blue. At Dito lang sa tabi lang kami. Hirap din palang alisan ng ano to, ng air. Grabe. Lumalaban, no? Lumalaban sa hangin. It's going back up. Natatanga yung mama. I thought they would anchor it. They just put down the flag there. Ang tagal din palang air nito. O baka ito ay pinaupahan dun sa ano. Tagal din pala nitong paalisin yung hangin. Grabe, oh. Matrabaho rin pala. Kaya pala isang lipad nito eh 500 na bayaran. Tagal palang gawin.
Jennifer in New York, we're gonna give you a chance for a prize here. Jennifer Goomer, 6 or 7. Maybe after Labor Day. Amy came in this morning.
There.
Stay back to school for the kids.
Yan na, puma-flat na siya.
Sounds of school. You can take a lunchbox or Amy.
Dalawa pala yung balloon. Isang nasa loob, isang nasa labas.
Amy, you are hilarious, and I hear those little stupid jokes that you pop in there all the time. So I'm going with Amy.
Matrabaho.
Yeah. I heard
I know what you mean. It's like, sometimes they get lost on y'all. I feel like I say stuff under my breath all the time and they don't get it and nobody laughs.
It's rolling over.
Here's an example. Go ahead. That is a
Whistle.
That's a G. Alright, you gotta get 4 out of 5. Here we go, number 1. And that's cool.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Keyboard.
Yep. Nothing on the keyboard, good? Number 2.
Tapos yung basket, merong ganun. Merong parang exhaust sa ibabaw.
I hate that sound.
Ayun na.
That's a terrible sound. I didn't realize I hated that
Okay,
sound.
stop it.
It's pulling the guts out.
Parking on the shop.
I don't like this.
Oh yeah.
Good. Thanks.
Yun yung nasa loob na balloon.
Scissors cutting.
Yeah, cutting paper. Alright, next. Uh-oh, struggle bus.
I mean, that's tape.
One more time. Are you sure?
So actually they don't know where it will land because the guy,
Well, you gotta look from the air for a good spot.
Yeah. Alright, one more. Go ahead.
yeah, because the truck we saw earlier, he was waiting there where we thought it will land, and then
It's a pencil sharpener.
he moved.
Yes. Is on the
see.
supplies list.
You guys can go get a closer look. Yeah, let's go look at. I want to go to the.
Absolutely. Just go rock right up into it.
Jeez. How long is it? How long have you been there?
They're not part of it.
They were the one who read it. An hour.
And they took off from the farm field over there?
Across the street from Kalahari Resort. Yeah.
Dito pala lumalabas yung hangin. Ah, ganun. Tapos eto. Mag-uusi tayo. Tapos meron silang calling. Tapos ito yung hinihila. Yung nakikita ko kanina. Yung hinihila. Ayan o. Tapos meron silang oxygen. Nakatayo lang yung mga tao. Parang exciting.
We were gonna land over there, but then
Yeah, I saw it.
yeah, we have to go back up because there was a tree, and then, it's pretty safe though.
So it's, I mean, talking to him and listening to how he speaks about weather patterns and just the immense
Yeah,
amount of
they're-
knowledge that he has.
They're not going to do anything to,
No,
not on purpose anyhow.
no, definitely not. That would be a bad business decision.
But, in the park,
Yeah.
you know.
But we don't always land in the park.
Well, yeah.
Sometimes we're 6-8 miles away.
Depends on your weather and the wind.
Where did you start?
At the old Settlers Association, right at the front of the park.
Oh, you did over there, huh? Okay. How come we saw a balloon sitting in the field over?
That's where he landed. He started
Oh,
before.
he landed over
Yeah.
there. Okay.
He started before sunrise.
Okay, I thought he was
So he-
going to go up.
Yeah,
No.
he was almost done by the time we got in the air.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's only a couple hours around sunrise.
It's a good time.
Yeah, the atmosphere's stable enough for us. Yeah, oh yes, I did.
Yeah, I know.
You live here in Round Rock?
No, not in Round Rock. No, we live in Killeen.
Killeen. So you drove here.
Yes, ma'am.
We live just where are we? Just somewhere there,
Oh,
near
okay.
Kalahari.
Oh,
Oh, wow, yeah.
yeah, convenient for you to do it then.
Yeah.
It's always nice to give people a first time play.
You gonna try this siguro.
Good for us.
Yeah. So yeah, you gotta keep working on the weather then.
Oh, the weather's everything.
100% of the problem, man.
Yeah, they could fly.
Other balloons too.
Yeah.
Carry 6 or 8.
4 people, we can invite Idette
Yeah.
and Leo.
The most we generally carry in Austin is 6.
The more,
And a larger balloon. Then
a
other
little bigger basket.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks for your time.
Well, thank
Well,
you
thank
for
you.
coming.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for checking out.
Very interesting.
Yeah, I look forward to flying with you.
And continue to check us out in the mornings if you see us.
Oh,
yeah.
Right at sunrise, right there in front of the Dale Diamond.
Yeah.
We usually
Be over. We'll keep an eye out.
So how do you schedule? How would you know if the weather is convenient?
well, we have to deal with the weather as it comes along, you know.
Let's say we have a reservation. We have to find out when we can go. Okay.
And
Like you say,
yeah, we'll confirm it the day before. And if it's looking good enough, then we confirm it on the morning.
like we
Okay.
say, we
Got
plan
it.
on Wednesday. And then you gotta, like you say, depends on the weather, of course. Yeah. So.
And then we'll usually the day before we have a pretty good idea of what the weather's got in store for us. And the morning of, we usually have a pretty good idea. Yesterday morning we had everybody moving and headed this way, and some thunderstorms popped up.
Oh yeah,
that's
yesterday.
That was a
And we didn't
surprise.
get any rain here though.
Because I remember the time when we had already a reservation, but the weather was not so nice this time, and we kept on, you know,
Changing.
moving and
But
changing.
if you still have your
I'd have to look
certificate
that
from
up.
us,
I got emails and stuff saved from
Yeah.
years ago.
And there'll be a unique number, and we can find you in the files, and we
Okay.
honor them forever.
Oh.
I
Oh.
sold the business 3 years ago, but they still honor. We still honor
Yeah.
all the flights.
Okay.
So
I'll check
Can you
that
still retrieve the?
out. You never know.
Okay, thank you so
All
much.
right, thanks for coming by.
Yeah. It's always interesting, something different.
It is.
We're always looking.
It's always an adventure, you know. I don't know where we're going either,
Yeah.
and I like that part.
Yeah, that's a,
We always thought about, because when we go like through New Mexico, Albuquerque, you know, when they have the balloon festival or something.
yeah.
I think so. Okay. Well,
All righty.
Hey, what's that barbecue?